Experiencing issues with Google Voice not sending SMS messages? You're not alone. This is one of the most common problems users face with Google Voice in 2025. To understand why messages fail, we need to understand how Google Voice works. Unlike traditional SMS, Google Voice operates as a voice over Internet Protocol service, routing your messages through Google's servers rather than directly through carrier networks. There are 4 main reasons why your Google Voice SMS messages might not be sending. Let's examine each cause and its solution. First, insufficient account verification. Your Google Voice number must be fully verified through phone call verification. If verification is incomplete, message sending will fail. Second, carrier blocking. Some carriers block Google Voice numbers or VoIP services. Check your carrier settings to ensure Google Voice isn't being blocked. Third, network connectivity problems. Since Google Voice relies on internet connection, poor Wi-Fi or cellular data can prevent message sending. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Fourth, exceeding daily message limits. Google Voice has daily sending limits to prevent spam. If you've sent many messages recently, you may have hit this limit. Wait 24 hours and try again. For account verification issues, the process is straightforward. You'll need to complete phone number verification, which may include identity verification steps depending on your account status. These 4 solutions address the most common Google Voice SMS sending issues. Start with account verification, check for carrier blocking, test your network connection, and be mindful of daily sending limits. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Google Voice SMS issues, it's time to explore more advanced solutions. These methods address deeper technical problems that may be preventing your messages from sending properly. The first advanced step is contacting your mobile carrier directly. Many carriers automatically block voice over IP services like Google Voice to protect their own SMS revenue. Ask your carrier specifically if they're blocking Google Voice numbers and request they whitelist the service. If your current phone number isn't working for verification, try using a different number. This could be a family member's phone or a secondary line. The verification number must be able to receive both calls and text messages from Google. Browser and app issues often cause SMS problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies completely, or uninstall and reinstall the Google Voice mobile app. This removes corrupted data that might be interfering with message delivery. For persistent issues that resist all troubleshooting attempts, contact Google Voice support directly. They can investigate account-specific problems, server-side issues, or regional service disruptions that may be affecting your SMS delivery. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Regularly verify your account settings, keep the Google Voice app updated to the latest version, and monitor message delivery confirmations to catch issues early. Google is implementing Rich Communication Services, or RCS, which promises to resolve many current SMS limitations. RCS provides enhanced messaging features and more reliable delivery through improved carrier integration. Finally, maintain a backup communication method for critical messages. While Google Voice has improved significantly, it still has a small message failure rate compared to traditional carrier SMS. Having alternatives ensures important communications always get through.